light fixture we got for both the left and the right side of this 2007 Chrysler Town and Country extended wheelbase, I guess they call it. And you have to know it's an extended wheelbase, otherwise different fixtures required. Came with light bulbs already in them. This plastic wrap is over here, over the top. So this is the passenger side front. Big difference over what's on there right now. All haze and phase. What's funny is you look online for this particular year, I think it's 2005 to 2007, almost every one of them has the right headlight fogged up or has water or moisture inside it.
Okay, here's the pattern of the original lights in their light fixture. The driver's side is here to the left. To the right is the passenger light. They're almost equal. They still got a haze on them. This one's the worst of both of them with a haze. "1A auto," and to our surprise, it included the bulbs. So the headlight bulb is already installed, and the running light is installed. It's got a plastic on it that we'll take off before we actually do the install. So that was a great surprise. Yeah, it's going to make a big difference. How's that for body language? Yeah.
It's an 8mm socket. It appears by looking on various videos, most of these are 8mm. Put the hang onto that handle on this last one. Want some extra fingers? Yeah. Just checking to see how it works. No, it's been in there since 2006 or 7 whenever they assembled the vehicle. There you go. So you've got a harness cable here. It's got to come out. And there's the locking clamp. Try to get the harness out first. What are you doing? Taking the harness out?
Cable locks. You need to on an angle so you can see that it's different. Yeah, they pull out. Now they're ready to be removed. You can remove one. Okay, when we got to the point to remove the old fixtures here and plug them into the new fixtures, the connectors didn't work. So what we did is kept the old original bulbs that's in its fixture, that's on this cable, and screwed it in, and it works great. This right here is the headlight, and this is the light for the headlight. But you can see that oval with 3 pins in it. There's the wire harness from the car, and this section doesn't come off. It's all molded. It's part of the extruded plastic, which is okay. So the light bulbs are brand new, so I'm going to keep the light bulbs so I have them as backups. So we just use the old bulbs, which are working fine, the old connector, which is working fine, and the harness, which isn't installed yet, and we're good to go. But be aware of that. If you've got a green connector and you try to pull this end off, you can't, because it's all part of the molded plastic. Trying to get a close-up of it. There's no way you can take that off. It's all part of the connector. Let the beauty come out. Let the beauty come out. That's why they make a little handle there.
Yes, but I gotta guide it.
Just get it started by hand.
I don't think you're anywhere near there. Excuse me, back it out a little bit. Back it out all the way. Stop. Start a screw right there.
Yeah, we're on the other side now. Look at this one, nice and shiny. Oh my goodness, nice and shiny. This one is all goofed up. Look at that. Boy, it's going to be like daylight at night when you turn these headlights on. Oh, where do you get our bill? These are actually just a couple of bucks more than they were 8 years ago. I think it was $139 for the pair, and I was not expecting the bulbs to come with it. And I'll just keep the bulbs in my little bulb bag. And so when these bulbs burn out, I already have a set. I just label the bag and I'm ready to go. Easy peasy. Chrysler. Done. The easy way, take these lights out. Turn it about a quarter of a turn counterclockwise and wiggle that old bulb out. There we go. Why are you holding it?
Because I don't want it to drop.
And there's the actual headlight. No, counterclockwise. Opposite the way a clock goes.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Not a digital clock, an analog clock. Okay, this is after the new fixtures have gone in. The passenger side is about 2 inches higher than the driver's side, and we're going to test it when the sun goes down. But I think we're right in the zone there of adjustments.
And that's how you change headlight fixtures. Fun, huh?